Chicago, nigga.
Tried calling y'all by name, but shit, it wasn't.
What you say about me?
Nothing, man. Just talking shit.
You my name. In the street? My name is my name.
Going on YouTube. Shit, I'm about to give y'all a sound test with these inverted, I got them inverted. The EVL Skar Audio 15. You know, I gotta go back to my favorite little sound spot. What else? For my wide splitters came, the right wide splitters came, so this is, I'm gonna turn them back around just so I can hear how they sound with everything hooked up properly, because everything's hooked up properly now. I got my line control bass knob, so I can control both of my amps. And man, these line control bass knobs better than the bass knob on the amps to me. They way better. Just gotta get longer wires, because I don't like my bass knob right there. That means I gotta reach up. I like mine being distant, like either right there or even if I put it right here. Anywhere so I ain't gotta reach and go out my way. Because I like sitting back in my car. I don't like to lean up. So this is on both amps. Both amps, everything hooked up right. Amps kind of adjusted. I don't know yet, so still playing with it. And tweeters, I gotta find this tweeter, man. I bought them brand new like a week ago, or whenever I posted that picture I had them, I cannot find that motherfucker. But let's go and get to it. Alright. Y'all see how much further I can go. Turn the bass knob up just a little bit more. Goddamn plastic off this shit. Sound good? No, I'm just doing a video. Alright, appreciate it. Alright. Yeah, people stopping trying to see what the fuck I'm doing, man. Y'all stay out my way. How about that? That was nice of them, though. But alright, YouTube.